Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn a structure which will empower you more to speak English, and you will be more able to speak English, and that is let plus me slash us slash him slash her slash them slash it slash name plus v1 plus object. What is the use of it? Let's see. Friends, when you have to say something that you have to do it, and then you can say let me do it. You have to say like I want to eat, then you can say let me eat, let me talk, let me learn something, let me know about this. And if you can use him also at this place, let him know this, let him talk about this, let him go there, let him come first. No, like this you can see, like let us speak first, let us do it first, let us eat first. You can use her, like let her come first, let her eat first. You can use them also, like let them play first, let them play on this field. Please use the transcript. Go in the description box, you will see option of show transcript, where you can find all the sentences in written. Please do this, okay? That will help you a lot. And whatever the sentences you think that you should repeat, please repeat all the sentences whatever I am speaking, so you will be more fulfilled doing this all things. Guys, do this. Okay, let me speak first, like you can say let them speak, let me talk, let me share my problem, right? Let me carry your bag. This is a polite request, like when someone come to you, some guest come to your home, then you can say let me carry your bag please, let me carry your bag please, let me bring a chair for you, let me do something for you, let me do you a favor, let me help you. When you are going to help someone, yeah, you can say let me help you. Like you can say let me share my story, let me share my journey, let me share my experience, like let me paint this wall. You can say these things easily, and it will help you to speak English. Like let me switch on the TV for you, like let me bring a glass of cup for you, let me bring a cup of tea for you, let me make tea for you. When you have to go, like you are sitting, you are talking, and you have to go to make tea, then you can say let me make tea for you. And there are more people, then let me make tea for you all. So you can use this like this, okay? You can say if some children wants to play, and you want to say that someone that please let them play, then you can say let them play on this field, let them play on this ground, let them play here. Children say I request you that let us play, please let us play here, please let us do this, please let us please let us play in the evening, please let us do this by ourselves. You can say please let me do this myself. If you want to do by your own, then you can say let me do it by myself. Let me talk to myself, let me talk to myself. Let me think first, let me think for a minute, let me try to make tea, let me try let me learn, right? Let me learn English, let me go on the stage, let me speak first, let me deliver a speech, right? You can go on the stage and you can say let me share my journey of learning English. You can you are sitting somewhere and you can say a tree, let me help you, let me you can say water your plant, let me water you, right? You can say like water, even that you have to if you have to give water in the plant, you can say let me water you, right? Let me see the sky, let me see the stars, let me see the moon, let me watch TV, let me watch a football match, when something is going live, then or something is like, if you watch a video, then you can say video, and you have to see, if you are seeing the photo, then you can say this is photo, I'm seeing this, let me see the photo. But in the case of video, you will say let me watch a video, let me watch a football match, let me watch something in mobile, let me watch something on YouTube, let me watch the video of him. Okay, let me dance. Okay, play Nagin dance, and we can say let me dance on Nagin dhun. You can say let me dance on Nagin track. Okay, you can say this. Let me go do it first. Let me marry first. Like there are two brothers, and the small brother always say let me marry first. You will marry later me. You will marry after me. Okay, so you can do let me help you, let me clean the clothes today, let me go home. When we have to take leave, so we request to sir, let me go home today, let me. Okay, you can just see like this. Or if we can use negative, but if you have to make negative of it, then what the structure will be, that will be don't plus let plus all the things like me, him, us, her, whatever, plus V1 plus object. Okay, so we can make things like don't let me go. But we often use me in negative sentences. So we use this like don't let me, like, oh sorry, don't let him go, don't let him talk, don't let him play here. Like when we in brother sister we fight, then we say don't let him eat, don't let her eat, I will eat that, so don't let him eat. Don't go there, don't go there, let me go there first. You don't go there, let me go there first. Let me, you can say someone like let me study, don't disturb me. Let me study, don't disturb me. Let him not study, disturb him. Let him not go on the stage, stop him. Right? Stop him, let him not go on the stage. Don't let them play here. Don't let them make noise. Don't let them disturb me. Don't let them fight. Stop them. Don't let them cry. Right? Don't let them make a noise, because I am recording a video here. So don't let them cry. I say my mother, don't let them make a noise. Let me record a video. So you can speak like this, and believe me, things will be better for you. If you do the practice of these things, if you use the transcript and you speak after me, then believe me, things will be better for you. You will keep learning. On this channel you will get all the videos of English, whatever it will be needed to learn English, and I will really try my best to make videos for you, so that you can learn things in a very good way. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Do the practice, and believe me, you will learn how to speak English. Thank you.